When it comes to cooking, the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or an elaborate dinner, this Vinchef Nonstick Frying Pan is here to elevate your culinary journey. With its anti-scratch technology, versatile design, and high-quality construction, this frying pan is a must-have for every kitchen. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the features, benefits, and reasons why this pan could become your favorite cooking companion. Why the Vinchef Nonstick Frying Pan stands out? This 9.5-inch skillet is more than just cookware. It's an investment in convenience, durability, and performance. Its standout features ensure that every dish you prepare is a success, whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef. 1. Advanced anti-scratch technology. The Vinchef Frying Pan features anti-scratch technology imported from Germany, paired with a true non-stick coating. The result? A pan that remains as good as new, even with regular use of metal utensils. This coating ensures food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. Simply wipe it down with a towel, soap, and warm water, and your pan is ready for its next culinary adventure. Have you ever struggled with scrubbing off burnt food? Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to effortless cleaning with the Vinchef Frying Pan. 2. Premium quality construction. Crafted using the aluminum die casting process, the Vinchef Frying Pan is a perfect balance of strength and lightweight convenience. It's PFOA PTFE-free and non-toxic, ensuring safe cooking for you and your loved ones. The thoughtful design includes 2 pour spouts for easy transfer of sauces or liquids, making it ideal for both left and right-handed cooks. The wood-grain bakelite handle stays cool to the touch, offering a comfortable and secure grip, even during high-heat cooking. Plus, its stylish design adds an elegant touch to your kitchen. How often do you find cookware that is both functional and stylish? The Vinchef Frying Pan is here to check all the boxes. 3. Induction-compatible and heat-efficient. The skillet's flat and thick bottom ensures even and rapid heat distribution, allowing your food to cook uniformly. Compatible with all types of stovetops, including gas, ceramic, electric, and induction, this frying pan is versatile enough for any cooking environment, including outdoor camping trips. Ever experienced unevenly cooked meals? The Vinchef Frying Pan eliminates those frustrations with its superior heat distribution. 4. Versatility for every cooking need. From frying eggs to sautéing vegetables or searing meat, the Vinchef Frying Pan is designed to meet a variety of culinary needs. Whether you're whipping up a quick omelet or creating a gourmet sauce, this pan ensures perfect results every time. Its size makes it perfect for single servings or family meals, and the durable build ensures it will last through years of daily use. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple pans when one can do it all? This 9.5-inch skillet is all you need for diverse cooking needs. 5. An excellent gift choice. If you're searching for the perfect gift for a housewarming, birthday, or holiday, the Vinchef Frying Pan is a thoughtful option. Its practicality, sleek design, and premium features make it a gift that anyone will appreciate. Need a gift that combines style, utility, and thoughtfulness? The Vinchef Frying Pan is the answer. 6. Customer-centric guarantee. The Vinchef Frying Pan comes with strict quality control before shipping, ensuring every product meets high standards. In case of any issues during transportation or usage, the company provides prompt customer service and replacements. A product backed by excellent customer service is always a win. With Vinchef, you're not just buying a pan, you're investing in peace of mind. Final thoughts. The Vinchef Nonstick Frying Pan offers a perfect blend of durability, performance, and style. Its anti-scratch technology, heat-efficient design, and versatile cooking capabilities make it a standout choice for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your cooking journey, this pan ensures you achieve culinary perfection with ease. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.